last year's budget, a surety bond was announced by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, but we have seen that in last 1 year the surety bonds has not picked up, and government want to put a surety bond as an alternative to bank guarantee for infrastructure projects. So recently, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has met insurers to discuss the developing surety bond thing, because government want to push the surety bond, and in that meeting, Transport Minister Nitin Gadkari was also present. So government just want that more and more companies to come up with the surety bond product, because in next 5 years we will see around 100 trillion rupees of infrastructure projects will be coming in, and it will require around 90 trillion rupees of bank guarantees. And as of now, there are only two insurance companies has developed their surety bond products, and for bank guarantees, it's very difficult for infrastructure companies to get the bank guarantees of large size, and NHAI has also complained about not getting bank guarantees for their infrastructure projects. So in this regard only, government want to push for surety bond, where insurance company will cover the project if any kind of default or non-completion was happened. And recently IRDA has also curbed the made the norms easy by reducing the solvency for surety bond products. So the purpose of the surety bond is to boost the liquidity for infrastructure and housing projects. So after this recent meeting, IRDA has also come up with a note explaining the importance of surety bond and how insurance sector can collaborate for infrastructure financing. So in coming days, we'll see that the large number of new products will be launched by insurance companies, because government will also want to push the surety bond for infrastructure projects.